Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here today with lunch, and I have got a sweet potato patty with a summer slaw, or what I call an end of summer slaw, hopefully, because it has been hot here in Texas. I mean, 106, 110 degree weathers. No, thank you. But today I think it got up to like 93. That's better. This sweet potato is packed with a lot of great ingredients. This is a great vegetarian dish for my vegetarians out there. Not only does it have like tahini, some white beans, chipotle powder, a lot of different spices, but we do load it up with some nutritional yeast. It's got 1/3 of a cup in here to use instead of flour. It really does hold it together. It also gives it a great creamy taste to it. Fortified with vitamin B, so great for vegetarians not looking to get their vitamin B. And it also has some great protein. Just a little protein boost. It's got 2 servings of this, so that's 10 grams of protein. 2 tablespoons of this has got 5 grams of protein. So if you want to add this to a shake or anything that you're cooking up, put in 2 tablespoons of that. I've also got the summer slaw, which you can make your own. Get any veggies you like. I've got zucchini, yellow squash, red pepper, radish, some shredded carrots, and just shred everything, put it in a big bowl. And I kept it simple, mixed some oil and vinegar in there, and I think I squeezed a lime in there as well. Add some salt to bring all that flavors out. Guys, it's got great beauty. And look how, I didn't even finish my sentence. I'm so excited. But look at all the colors in there. It's been sitting in the fridge, so not quite as poppy as it was when I first made it. But I'm in love with this sweet potato patty. I've already had it. I can't wait to have it again. Guys, and coming out in the app today, I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day.